to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with legal research and methodology subjects. Okay. Under topic case study method. Okay. Case study method. What is the meaning of case? I think this is a simple question only. You know very well. Okay. Case study method. Leading case. The previous judgment, okay, ordered by the from any court or any high court or supreme court, whatever it may be. You just verify all the case reports. Okay, these are all case study method. Here case study method is widely accepted form. Okay, case study method is widely accepted form for qualitative analysis and is a systematic field research technique. Okay, this method is adopted for an in-depth study of social unit. The unit may be person, a family, institution or group. Okay, the stress is on careful, complete, vigorous and intensive investigation and analysis of limited events or conditions and their interrelations. Okay, and also this method is useful for the studies in behavior patterns. Why? Because we have studied from the various case study. So what is the judgment from the particular cases, and we are reading with inside portion depth conditions. Okay, so behavioral patterns. So difference. So for example, the cases also differ very person to person. Okay, because why? Because the complaint also different type of complaints. Okay, but judgment also is same method of IPC, but different angle, no, different type of disputes was arisen. Okay, so the method was first introduced by Frederick Lee Clay in the studies of family budget, and also Herbert Spencer utilized this method in his comprehensive study of different cultures. Okay, also the method answers the deficiency of the researchers slowly based upon this statistics. The main advantage of this method is that it gives integrated totality of a given unit also. Okay, what is the main basic? Here the basic premises is that though the behavior of human beings varies, there is underlying, okay, commonly in the human nature. The studying a unit in its natural setting or history in a comprehensive manner gives us meaningful conclusion also. And also human beings are different from one another, but human nature is same, right? We are seeing directly, no, different type of persons, different type of characters, different type of and moving method, characteristics and quality and all. Okay, definition of this case study method according to H. Odum, Odum. Here case study method is a technique by which individual factor, whether to be an institution or just an episode in the life of an individual, right, or a group, is analyzed in its relationship to any other in the group. Okay, according to Pauline V. Young, based on this case study method. Here a case study is a method of exploring and analyzing of life of a social unit. Okay, be that a person, a family, an institution, cultural group or even entire community. Okay, what are the characteristics of this case study method? Here, number one, a study of single unit or group or situation are taken. Okay. Number 2, the study is in depth and intensive and minute details. Number 3, it may take longer periods for such study. Number 4, complex factors in a given unit are completely studied. Number 4, the stress is on qualitative approach and not on quantitative approach. And next point, effort is made to know the mutual interrelationship of cause factors. And next point, behavioral patterns are studied by direct approach. And next point, it may lead to the formulation of further hypothesis and testing the hypothesis. Next one, leads to accumulation of generalized knowledge. Okay. That's all characteristic of the case study method. And sources of gathering the data under case study method. What is that? Sources. Here, personal documents like diaries, okay, and autobiographies and memories are the important sources for the data collection under case study method, as it gives clues of behavioral patterns and insight into the various facts of the human life. It also provides information about the events, situations, and vast knowledge about the nature of the problem. Okay. And also other sources, life history documents are drawn based upon the interviews and projective techniques. It depicts the social milieu, impact of the events, motivating factors, and the like also. Okay, what are the stages of in case study method? Here, number 1, determining the status of phenomena or unit to be investigated. Number 2, scanning the history of the given phenomena and collection of data. Number 3, identifying and diagnosing the causal factors for remedial measures. Okay, and casework, applying the remedial measures. And the last one, follow-up program to assess the effectiveness of the remedies. Okay, what are the advantages of this case study method? If you are going to do research and all, here advantages of the case study method. Number 1, case study deepens our perception and gives us a clearer insight into life. Number 2, it gets behavior directly and not by an indirect and abstract approach. Okay. Number 3, several causal factors like inner strivings, tension, motivates, etc. that models one's behavioral pattern can be clearly studied. Number 4, it is helpful in studying the natural history of unit and its relationship with environmental forces or social factors. Number 5, helps in formulation of relevant hypotheses and the data collected, therefore is useful in testing the hypothesis, helps in the accumulation of systematic knowledge. Number 6, social researchers frequently use case method as it facilitates careful, comprehensive and intensive study of the phenomena of a social unit. Number 7, comprehensive knowledge obtained through case study method can be useful in formulating the questionnaires, schedule, etc. to collect the research data. Number 8, use of effective research tools such as interviews, questionnaire, personal documentary sources, and etc. Okay. And also 9th, Ninth point, case method is mode of organizing the data and is useful in getting the nature of the units as well of the nature of the whole universe. Okay, number 10, it appraises the past history and suggests remedies for the present, okay, environmental situation, present environmental situations. Number 11, it provides real record of experience and provide authenticated sociological material. Okay. Number 12, it facilitates the study of social changes in their correlation to law. Number 13, they are useful for policy making. Okay. And next one, disadvantage of the case study method. What is that? Disadvantages. Yeah, if you are taking advantage and disadvantages also available, we'll take advantages, we'll leave it disadvantages and all. So what are the disadvantages as per this case study method? Number 1, it is not useful in drawing analogies and comparisons. Number 2, it does not provide impersonal, universal, non-ethical, non-practical and repetitive aspects of phenomena. Number 3, in view of the limited number of units of study, broad generalizations are not possible and may result in false generalizations. Number 4, involves more expenditure and time. Number 5, because of subjectivity in recording the data collected is vitiated. Okay, and minimized and not eliminated. Okay students, that's all. This is case study method also. Now it's clear what is the sources, what is the advantages, what is the disadvantages of the case study method. Okay, and definition of case study method and characteristic of case study method and stages in case study methods. That's all. Okay, you just elaborate in your mind and think about what is this and what is that. Okay, you can think about in your mind, then you can take any one of the paper and write it down. What is your presentation level? Okay, these are all main thing in this research paper and all. Okay, if you are watching in our video classes, don't close this one. You can rewind in your mind, you can apply in your own mind, it will be coming out. Okay, automatically. Many resources are inside in your minds. So I'm giving, these are all tips of your research paper. So these are all basic knobs, okay, as per your syllabus and all. And wherever you are going to take any research paper and all, this is the formulation, this is the basic structure of advantage and case study methods and all. And it also vary from one author to one author, or vary to one professor to professor and all, but concept is same. Okay, but as per the legal studies, the case study method is same. Okay, and if you are going to write, if your examination, you can write whatever it may be, whatever your research point of view, you can write it. That's all. Okay, that's no problem at all. Improve your knowledge side by side, and simultaneously you can refer many author books also. Okay, watch regularly, at least 2 or 3 times research video class, then only you can write boldly. Okay, otherwise it will not help you. Not only you, me also. For example, if I'm receiving any one of the video or any one of the watching YouTube and all, I just rewind 2 or 3 times only, then only I can update all the material from that video classes and all. This is normal in nature. This is normal in nature. All human grasping power. Okay, because we are not discussing with directly. This is one way teaching method, right? All video recording, all YouTube also one way approaching method, one way teaching method. Two-way teaching method is direct live. Sometimes if any doubts that particular area, question also raising from your side, automatically I can explain and all. Okay students, take care, all the best, do it your work, study well, all the best, bye.